Alright, so a friend of mine named Outta is picking me up with a couple other guys I'd never met before. And we're going to drive down to California and go to a skate park and buy some lottery tickets. I'm going to try to buy lottery tickets for the next 10 drawings. I think that's a thing you can do. But let's try to come back uninjured and unharmed and have a good time. Boom. Finally, my turret awaits. Fogging up my fucking glasses. Yeah.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Everything good?
What's up, man?
Nick.
What up, Nick?
Timmy and Nikki?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. What's up, buddy?
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
All right, we're gonna to the gas station, then we are on the way.
Sweet. Where are we actually heading to?
We're gonna start off with Victorville.
Sweet.
And there, I don't know.
Nice, man. Let's do it. All right, just got to Eddie's World here off the highway. Been traveling at the fucking speed of sound for the last 2 hours in the back seat of Sean's car. I think we are actually going to get there yesterday. We're driving so fast. But this would be pretty good, man, when we get here. Maybe we should buy some tickets here?
Powerball.
Yeah, totally. Think about buying one ticket for the next 10 drawings. That'd be 20 bucks, right?
I think you can only buy one for today.
Oh, let's see what they say. Is the drawing today? Is it tonight? Thanks, buddy. This place is fucking awesome. Look at this fucking place. It's a fucking DJ and shit. Every color gummy thing you can want. This is Eddie's World in Yuma, California. Game, and you piss. You fucking piss and you move the guy around. What the fuck is going on in here? Check it out. Let's try not to get hurt.
Oh, shit.
That was awesome.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in
Second stop of the day, we decided to drive down to San Diego.
God,
Check this out.
How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. It's been a long time. Holy cow.
I live a mile from here.
No shit?
Yeah. Right, yeah. Cool. I gotta pad up. We got skating to do. Oh, yeah.
Third skate park. Still haven't hurt myself yet today. Haven't really skated that much though. But, let's watch the guys.
Until the skin rips, that sick nigga so sick, living dead ever sick.
Overdrive, she
remember on the phone.
He can't even hit his head again. He said he was telling me and Drew, they told